race, nobody is going to throttle it out. If you want to do a throttle out, come out. Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. And today we are in the middle of this beautiful property, which is called the Riverside Camping in Coorg near Makkandur. And guess what? Check this out. I am riding an X-Pulse, which is paired with rice tires. So that's where this jersey comes from, doing a ride for a rice. This is called the Trail R, which is a 50-50 off-road tires. And this is going to be a lot of fun. So we've reached your evening time. We're just relaxing. The camp is just by the riverside. And I'll see you right after this intro video to tell you what just happened this morning. I'm sure you guys would love to see that. Stay tuned and I'll see you right after this intro video, riding some crazy trails. Good morning. So here we are in Puttur. Our ride to Coorg begins, and you check this out. All the motorcycles that we have today are more or less ADV types or an off-road motorcycles, apart from one which is a KTM. Otherwise we have X-Pulse and Impulses in the group, and this is going to be one crazy ride. So we've got 10 people. I'm just going to quickly introduce everyone. So we've got Ravi Bhai from Two Tire Motor Garage, Kiran, my buddy from college, school, my junior, and his dad is a principal. You know our trail master. And then there is this Madhu who's just bought the new X-Pulse.
Kukila.
Ramnath, also known as, what is his new name today?
I use Russian.
Yes. Baka aapun and it's a partly in a t-shirt it would be better. You would need a double XL.
XL?
No, with a small size tomorrow left. XL, so leave it. L.
I am small. Typical Indians.
Make a double XL.
Thank you.
Weekend on Wheels in association with Ride. So they're partnering with us to give us some goodies, which is t-shirt, cap, and all of it. That's one part of it. But being safe while riding is very, very important. Let's follow some hand rules. Follow Mantuka to make sure we have good numbers, 10 numbers. So when we are riding, everybody is safe. I'll lead. Anybody can voluntarily be a sweep. Anybody can do that for me. I need one sweeper. Anybody can do. You want to do? I would need you as a second lead. Once we reach.
Okay.
You take sweep.
Okay. We have to go front and back, right?
No, sweep.
Last time. Okay, last time. Last time.
You take. Then you can take the marshal lead. Go in between. Okay.
The last two.
Done. So Kiran will sweep. So hand signal very important. This is to stop. And if I am doing this, the person behind me has also to do this, and that has to go till Kiran. So everybody, all 9 of them have to show this. This is to slow down. I will do it subject to your situation. You see whether you want to slow down. Whenever I'm into junction, whatever, I'll slow down.
Last time I did, I left braking to show that thing.
So if your problem is in accelerating, you can do left or right. Feel comfortable, you can right or left. Okay. No road rage. Nobody is going to throttle you down. If you want to do a throttle out, come out of the lane, come to the lead and say you want to just feel some throttle. You're okay, but not in the group. You can do fast forward group throttle. I'm okay with that. Please go. Then you can have that stretch. Enjoy your, especially for KTM, because you might feel that once you're at 60 or whatever. I understand, that's what I'm saying.
Somebody is missing fitness.
No. Here. Good morning, and the coorg ride officially begins. So we just had a quick meetup, and here we go. So I'm riding the Xpulse 2V. This is a rented motorcycle, and I've installed Rise trailer tires, which are 50/50 tires. And there's one more person who's got the similar tires, which is Kirtan on his Xpulse, which is the 4V. And in a bit I'll show you our entire gang, which you saw a little while ago. So our first stop, not the first, second stop. First stop we had near Puttur. Our second stop is going to be at Sulya, which is a breakfast stop at Santrapti, and after which we will have a small trail ride. From there we'll be going to a campsite, and a lot of things planned for the day, a lot of things. After that, just relax a little bit, and then from there go for our next trail. This is the place. And here we are, all the riders.
Let's go.
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಚ್ಚ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ AC ಫುಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. This ಔಟ್. These riding gears would be worth at least 2 lakhs now. Or more. More. Only I'm telling only riding gear. And then with the then you add Sena Parani, close to about 5 lakh worth electronics and helmet and riding gear. Check this out. Popna. These are the Rise jerseys. Check them out. Good ones. Breakfast time, Santrapti. And yes, son of principal. Breakfast time.
A few moments later.
And now we'll start our trail. Kirtan, good to go. So let's have some fun on Ananda. So don't worry, in the last Kirani peru. So let's get in. Hopefully we get some river crossing as well. Looks like there is a small river passing by on the left hand side, and here they've made concrete roads. Looks like these are freshly made roads. Earlier this would have been nice off-road patch, but then now that they've converted into a concrete road, so not too sure when will we get off-road. Let's explore, let's get in. Mandalpatti is for sure where we'll get some off-road, which we've planned. One thing I've realized is the fun of riding your own motorcycle is different compared to riding a rented motorcycle.
because rented motorcycle is so much abused, and they don't work or do what you want normally to do, or the way you expect it to do. Especially when you have your own motorcycle, you know it inside out, irrespective of which motorcycle you have, you know it. And also the fact that you're less worried when you're on a motorcycle compared to a rented motorcycle, where you're more worried of what's it all about types, that way. And bit of off-road starts here. And this climb inclination just continues, and it's like super inclination, huh? It's not like small, it's quite an inclination, and you can't afford to stop here. And yeah, wait, give some space and go. Pole. This is what we were asking for, and we've got what we've asked for. Let's wait and see if we need some help with the boys. Right. One more motorcycle Himalayan comfortably comes in. Another Himalayan comfortably climbs in. Here comes Ravirna. Enjoy, Ravina. Yes. One by one pode nora aike vara untadu tooka maataklu barondille iratan pura mittu poyonna baka need some help. Overheating issue.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ದು പോകും
ಇದು ಯಾವ ಪಣ್ಣ ಹೈ ರೇವಿಂಗ್ ಆತ
ಹೈ ರೇವ್ ಅಂತಬಹುದು ಲೋ ರೇವಿಂಗ್ പോകും ಈ ಲಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಪೇಸ್ ಪಾತಂ പോകും
ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಪೇಸ್ ಐಕೆ ಅನ್ ಮೂಲ ಉಂಟದು ವರ ತೂಕ ಮಾತಗಳು ಬೈದರ ಇಜ್ಜಂದು ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಹೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಜ್ಜ ವೀಲ್ ಸ್ಪಿನ್ ಆಪುಣ್ಯ ఇది తోడు లక్క ഒന്ന് തിക്ക് ജയിക്ക്
ഇതേ പാത്രം ഓടിക്കും
ಒಂಜಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಪತ್ತೊಂಬೂಡು ಇರಿ ಅಂದ ಹೇಗೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ ಒಂದುಂಡು ಹಾಂ ಕುಲ್ಲೆ ಕುಲ್ಲೆ ರವಿ ಮನ್ಲೆ ಅತ್ತೆ ಸುಗಂಧ್ ಬುಡಿಯಾ ರವಿ ಮನ್ಪೇರು ಬುಡ್ಚು. This is the fun of coming in such trail. Check this out how KTM is easily trying to do it. Hijja, oh lakkundiya. Pass apun lakkundu. Ha. Kori accelerator kori. Clutch ka full. Huh? Oh, iru onja right the plate and center. Ideally, right deton bole. Huh? Mande japun apun da apuji. Pobara? Onde? Stand by le. Iji avu mannu gundaini car ekku jaati malliju overblown car bata idin rickshaw tundu good. Let's go.